Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Whitstable taking a look at Willow Cottage on Church Street. Now this is a very spacious detached bungalow giving you 3 double bedrooms, and of course from the front you can already see all of that off-road parking and the garage to the front as well. So coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space, we're going to go across and take a look at the first of the 3 bedrooms. Now all of the bedrooms here are a fantastic double size, so just coming on the left hand side here we're going to go through and take a look at the first of those. So plenty of room in here, not only for the double bed but for plenty of storage options already. And then just coming back through the entrance hallway space and on the left hand side we're going to take a quick look there at the main family bathroom. Of course plenty of storage space in there as well as the bath and the loo and the sink unit. Now just to the right hand side of the front entrance door we've got here another bedroom, plenty of space in here for the bed, and you do already have a lot of fitted wardrobe options and cupboard spaces already here. So coming back through the entrance hallway space, more storage there as you can see. We're going to go through and take a look at the last of the bedroom spaces, but first of all we're just going to go through and take a look at the ensuite that services it. So coming through into the bath and shower ensuite room here, you can see lovely corner bath unit there with of course the corner shower unit on the opposite side of it, and then we do come through into the main bedroom. So unique layout here which works very well with plenty of space there for the double bed, beautiful view there into the rear garden. We've already got some storage options here fitted as well. So we're going to go through next and take a look at the kitchen diner before heading through into the conservatory and then the lounge, and then we'll head into the rear garden. So coming through into the kitchen here, plenty of room to work with, lots and lots of worktop space and plenty of storage, and of course that is 19 foot in length as a kitchen diner. So you do have a range of fitted appliances as well as space for other white goods. So let's go through and take a look at the conservatory next up before heading through into the lounge, and then we'll go into the rear garden. Coming through into the lounge now, you can see here you've got the access on the left hand side into the rear garden, and you do have a huge amount of light flooding through into this space, so it's a very nice cozy and secluded space for you to enjoy all year round. So let's head out into the rear garden next up, and whilst we're out there it does give us a good chance just to recap a few points on the property. So this is Willow Cottage in Church Street, Whitstable, a spacious detached bungalow giving you that really characterful feel to the rear with that beautiful secluded rear garden. You've got plenty of off-road parking to the front with the garage, as well as those 3 double bedrooms and that 19-foot kitchen dining space. Really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.